So we have to discuss today with heterocyclic compounds having benzofuse ring moiety. Heterocyclic ring moiety fused with the benzene ring, that is indole. The structure of indole is here, this one. Here in indole, this moiety is 5 members. There is a pyrrole moiety, pyrrole fused with indole. The another name of indole is benzopyrrole. At which side? This side is A, this is B, this C and D phase and F phase. So pyrrole's B phase is bind with the benzene ring. Benzo in bracket B pyrrole is a name for indole, another name. So we have to discuss here related with the properties, some preparation or synthesis of indole, chemical reactions, and indole containing medicinal drugs and their usage. So we have to discuss one by one with this indole. Indole is a common name. Their IPC name is 2,3 benzopyrols. 2,3 benzopyrols or 1H. 1H means this hydrogen present at one position. Benzo is the B indicating B side. This is the A side. This bond is A phase, B phase. This B phase is bind with this benzene. That's why this name is called as B phase of pyrrole. Correct name for IOCC indole is 1H benzo bpyrrole. So the IUPAC name for indole is 1H benzo in bracket B. This B indicating B side of this pyrrole 5 member heterocyclic moiety. Here this indole is aromatic in characters because it having 10 delocalized electron present in the system. Which one? 2 from this double bond, 2 from this double bond, 2 from this double bond, 2 from this double bond. Means total 8 pi electrons from carbon-carbon double bonds and 2 pi electron from nitrogen atom. Which one? This nitrogen having unshared electron present on nitrogen atoms. This nitrogen lone pair of electrons are involved in delocalization. So, as per the aromaticity rules, compound should be cyclic in nature, alternate single double bonds, and it passes Huckel's rules 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Here n is equal, put n is equal to 2. So total 10 pi electron system showing this indole. So indole is a aromatic in nature. It passes all the criteria of aromaticity. Cyclic in nature, alternate single double bond, and it obeys Huckel's rules. So on that basis, this indole or called as benzopyrols is showing aromatic characters. And in the orbital pictures, all the atoms present in indoles is sp2 hybridized stage and planar in structure. And second property relative with the indole is very weak base, act as a very weak base as compared to the pyrroles. After properties of the indoles, we have to move with the preparation reactions of indoles or synthesis of indoles. First synthesis is most important synthesis generally asked in the examination, that is features indole synthesis. In features indole synthesis, this is one of the acid catalyzed rearrangement reactions. In these features indole reactions, the aryl hydrogens involved in the formation of indoles. Aryl hydrogen, that is, this is the intermediate formations during the rearrangement reactions, followed by liberation of ammonia to form the indole as a final moiety of features indole synthesis. Here, this reaction generally carried out with aldehyde or ketones. They react with the phenyl hydroxides. Is the starting materials. The phenyl hydrazide react with aldehyde or ketones by loss of one water molecules. They form the phenyl hydrazones. This is a hydrazide part. Aldehyde and ketones, they bind with the NH2 part of the phenyl hydrazines and to form the hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone as the intermediate molecules, intermediate formation, followed by once the aryl hydrogen was formed, they undergo rearrangement reaction in presence of zinc chloride. And this zinc chloride act as a catalyst with elimination of one molecule of ammonia and to give the cyclized product, that is benzofused heterocyclic compound, that is benzopyrols, or called as common name is indole. In this way you have to prepare the features indole synthesis. Phenyl hydrazides react with aldehyde or ketones with loss of one water molecules to form the phenyl hydrogens, which undergo react with the zinc chloride, act as a catalyst, acid catalyst, and to form indole by elimination of the ammonia. This type of synthesis called as features indole synthesis. We have to see the mechanism of this reaction, features indole reactions. After formation of phenyl hydrazines, they undergo protonation, acid catalyze to form the in hydroxides. This is a double bond along with hydrazide part. That's why it is called as in hydroxides, followed by a rearrangement by 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement, shifting of sigma bond from 3 position to third positions by breaking of this sigma shifting. This bond is shifted towards these positions. That is 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement and formation of double imines, followed by cyclizations and to form the cyclic amino acetyl complex was formed, followed by deaminations, loss of one ammonia molecules, and to make the indole as a final resulted product. That is aromatic compound, benzopyrols. They undergo which type of rearrangement reaction? That is 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement is involved in this features indole synthesis. Once the phenyl hydrazone was formed from phenyl hydrazine and aldehyde and ketones, they undergo protonations, addition of proton into the carbon nitrogen double bonds, and bond is shifted towards carbon carbon and formation of in hydrazine, followed by sigma tropic rearrangement and to give the indole by elimination of ammonia, that is deamination process, and to form the aromatic indole as a final resulting product. Second method, Bischler's-Mauly indole synthesis. It is one of the another method to produce this type of indole. In this Bischler's-Mauly indole synthesis, the alpha bromoacetophenols react with the aniline, excess anilines. This is the structure of alpha bromo acetophenone. This is the alpha positions. On alpha, this bromine is substituted. Alpha bromo acetophenone react with the excess aniline. This is the structure of anilines. They undergo synthesis by liberation of one water molecules and as we are to make the 2-aryl substituted indole. That is 2-aryl indole formations. In this way, you have to prepare the another method for the preparation of indoles. Third method for the preparation of indole is Medulung synthesis. For the synthesis of Medulungs, there is a formation of N-phenylamide cyclizations. Intramolecular cyclization of N-phenylamides. That is this one, this type of structures. N-phenylamide undergo intramolecular cyclization in presence of strong base to form the cyclized product, that is substituted indoles. Here, the formation of N-phenylamide, it requires aniline, substituted anilines react with the acyl halides. Here, acyl chloride is used. They react with the substituted anilines to form the unsubstituted amides, that is N-phenylamide. That amide undergo intramolecular cyclizations in presence of strong base. It will produce substituted indole, 2,3 substituted indoles. That type of synthesis is called as Medulung synthesis. These are the some synthesis of indoles. One is Features indole synthesis. Second is Bichler-Mauly indole synthesis. And third, Medulung synthesis. Now we have to move with the chemical reaction part of the indole. First reaction is electrophilic addition to nitrogen atoms. Here nitrogen is a pyrrole-like nitrogens. The addition of electrophiles on nitrogen. Here first method is protonation method. Indoles undergo protonations. There is an addition of proton towards the nitrogen atom by sharing of lone pair of electrons and to form the indolium cations. And due to the delocalization of pi electrons, this pi electrons shifting towards adjacent position and charge shifting your third positions and to form the 3H indolium cations. Sorry, hydrogen protons are shifted towards third positions and to form the 3H indolium cations, which is more stable cations rather than 2H indolium. In 2H indolium, there is a disturbance with this benzene rings. So, this is a less stable than this one, 3H indolium cations. Second reaction is N alkylation. Alkylation means addition of alkyl groups. N-alkylation means addition of alkyl and on nitrogen atoms. Indoles undergo N-alkylations. There is a formation of 1,2,3 tetramethyl 3H indolium iodide is a final product. There is a substitution of methyl at 1, 2 and third position on indole rings. There is the first reactions of indole, that is electrophilic addition to nitrogen. Now move with the second reactions of indole, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. That is electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, this is structure of indoles. If the electrophilic aromatic substitution was occur on indoles, there is chances of electrophilic substitution at 2 and 3 positions majorly. If you consider with C3 positions, substitution of electrophile at C3 positions, means these positions, there is formation of indolium ion, 3 substituted indolium ions. And to form the positive charge on carbon atoms, due to the tautomeric effect, the lone pair of electron present on nitrogen atom, they shared its electron towards charge and charge transfer over nitrogen atoms. And to form the most stable intermediate cation. Most stable N substituted cations. In this C3 substitution, there is a no disturbance with this benzene rings. Whereas the substitution occur at C3, C2 positions, these positions, the electrophile are substituted, then there is formation of intermediate positive charge acquire on third positions by breaking of these carbon-carbon double bonds. And their tautomeric structure is by disturbing this electronic structure of aromatic ring, or there is a disturbance in the aromaticity of the benzene rings by delocalization of this pi electron towards adjacent positions and charge transfer over carbon atoms. So there is a disturbance in aromaticity of the benzene rings. So this is a less favorable electrophilic substitutions because there is a disturbance in the resonance structure with aromatic rings. So most favorable condition for electrophilic substitution on indole is C3 position or third positions. The electrophiles are substituted on indoles. Let's see with the electrophilic substitution reactions. First is nitration reactions. Nitration reactions, there is a substitution of nitro groups at third positions. For nitrations, acid catalyzed polymerization reaction is carried out with nitrating mixtures. So for the indole undergo nitrations, the benzyl nitrite non-aciding nitrating agents are used for the nitration. This is structure of benzyl nitrate. This undergo treated with indole to make nitro substituted indole. That is 3 nitro 1H indole formations. Another electrophilic substitution, aromatic substitution reaction, that is sulfonations. For sulfonations, pyridine sulfur trioxide is used for the sulfonations in presence of hot pyridines is used and to form the 3 substituted sulfonyl groups on indole and to make 1H indole 3 sulfonic acid as a final product. Here for sulfonation, pyridine sulfur trioxide is used for the sulfonations. Next electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is halogenations. Here one of the example is iodinations. Indole undergo iodination in presence of dimethyl formamide DMF to make 3 iodoindole. Whereas in bromination under pyridines, in presence of pyridines, bromination is carried out on indole to make 3 indole, 3 bromo indole is a final product of electrophilic aromatic substitution of halogenation reaction. Whereas another reaction, that is acylations, name itself indicates that acyl groups are substituted on aromatic rings or aromatic indole, aromatic property containing indole moiety. Here for acetylations, the indoles undergo react with the acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate. That is Perkin reactions. There is a acyl substituted on first positions. If as sodium acetate, which undergo react with acetic anhydride, it will form an acetyl indole. Whereas instead of sodium acetate, we have to use acetic acids. There is a formation of N, 3 diacetyl indole derivative was formed, followed by react with the base, aqueous base at room temperature, it will form the 3 acetyl indoles as a final products. If sodium acetate is used, N-acetyl indole is formed. If aqueous acetic acid is used, it will form 1,3-diacetyl indole followed by hydrolysis with aqueous sodium hydroxide. There is a liberation of acetic acid moiety and to form the 3-acetyl indole as a final product of electrophilic aromatic substitution of acylations. Depend on the which catalyst is used, they give the different type of products. Last reactions of electrophilic aromatic substitution, that is managed reactions. For the managed reactions, reaction with the iminium ions. These iminium ions are formed from formaldehyde react with the dimethylamines in presence of acetic acid with loss of water molecules to form the iminium ions. These ions react with indole in presence of acetic acid at room temperature. It will form dimethyl aminomethyl substituted indole, that is called as gramine. The name of this drug is gramines. This is a dimethyl, here methyl group. This is dimethyl amino group substituted on alkyl groups. Here carbon atom. This carbon atom is called as methyl. On methyl substitution of dimethyl amino, the commonly called of this whole group is dimethyl amino methyl. This is substituted at third positions, which is most favorable position for electrophilic aromatic substitutions. This type of reaction is called as managed reactions. Apart from electrophilic substitutions or electrophilic addition to nitrogen, the another reaction, chemical reactions of indoles, that is reduction reaction. Name itself indicate that reduction means loss of oxygen atom or addition of hydrogen atom into the starting reactant. Here reactant is indole. Indole undergo reduction in presence of zinc. There is formation of indoline as a final product. There is addition of two hydrogen into the indoles and to form the indoline. Instead of zinc, we have to use liquid ammonia in presence of ethanol. There is formation of 4,7 dihydroindole or and tetrahedroindole. Which type of tetrahedro? 4, 5, 6, 7 tetrahedroindole were formed in the proportion of 3 is to 1. If liquid ammonia is used for the reduction purpose. Apart from reduction, electrophilic additions, substitutions, the next reaction is nucleophilic addition, substitution reaction on indole. Indoles undergo nucleophilic substitution. This is the structure of indoles. They react with the N-butyl lithiums in presence of ether. There is formation of indole lithium. This indole lithiums undergo carboxylations to give carboxyl substituted product. The nucleophilic substitution most favorable position is second positions. This intermediate indole lithiums, they undergo react with the benzophenones. There is a substitution of benzophenones on second position and to make the nucleophile substituted product. In this way, you have to prepare the nucleophile substituted products from indole. These are the some reactions related with the indole. This is one of the important heterocyclic moiety with benzene fused with the pyrrole, that is indole. Now we have to move with the some medicinal drugs containing indole is a major part. Heterocyclic moiety. Here in this example, ergotametrines, this structure is indole ring structures. This drug is used for the use to prevent the bleeding after childbirth. Ergotametrines. Whereas reserpines, another drugs, that is antihypertensive drugs, is also containing indole as a basic moiety. Also vincalcolite, vincristine, vinblastines also having the indole as a basic moiety. And these drugs are vincalcolites, plant originated anti-cancer drugs. Triptans. Triptans. Triptan class having the examples sumatriptans, rizatriptans, naratriptans, zolmitriptans. These are the examples of triptan class. These are structures of triptans, sumatriptans having indole is a basic moiety, whereas in this rizatriptans having indole is a basic moiety along with this triazoles 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 4 triazole is a substitutions on indole rings, rizatriptans. This act as a these triptans generally used in the severe migraine pains and headache, and sometimes they inhibit the serotonin reuptake inhibitor, that is 5-HT receptor blockers. Pinolols. This pinolol is a non-selective beta blockers having the indole is a basic moiety present in the structure, and generally this pindolol is used in the hypertension and angina pectoris leg conditions. This drug is used. These are the some references I had to use for making this presentation for indoles.